On that second weigh-in, your baby is going to lose weight, and that is completely normal. The reason for that is, what are they no longer attached to? The placenta. So they're not getting that constant, nutrition. Also, their kidneys start to work more. They start to do bigger wees, and we need to wait for mum's milk to come in if, baby is exclusively breastfeeding. They lose weight, and up to 10% is completely normal.
Also, there's something else that people often don't think about, is that during labour and childbirth, many people, depending what type of birth they've had, after a few days, all that weight has to go somewhere. If you get a little bit of a weight loss on day 5, the midwife or whoever's weighed the baby will work out what the percentage is, and if it's within the normal range. And then usually by about day 10, that baby's back up to birth weight or beyond birth weight. Right. But if they're not, then that's when infant feeding support workers will get involved, and they'll be helping to support you anyway.
I think it creates so much anxiety for parents, the whole conversation about weight loss and weight gain.
Yeah. I always like to talk about the importance of counting diapers versus actually looking at the weight loss number. So making sure your baby is having an appropriate wet diaper for day of life that they are. So there should be more wet diapers as the days go by. And I think that is one way to provide a lot of reassurance to families.
I think a lot of people don't trust their own instinct, and sometimes you know your baby better than anybody. And if you think, I'm not sure, I don't know if something's right, there's nothing wrong with reaching out for a bit of advice.